Hello, I'm Mike Russell from musicradiocreative.com. In this video, I'll show you how to limit audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, why would you want to limit audio? Well, it stops audio from going above a certain decibel level, something you decide. So minus 1 dB, minus 3 dB, anything to stop those peaks. Once it hits that limit, it can't go any higher. You can do this and more, including enhancing the sound of voices, making your videos sound awesome with my Adobe Premiere Pro presets. They're available at mrc.fm/presets. And going into the effects workspace, you can easily pop open the presets, look for different presets for different microphone types, fun vocal effects, and a lot more. mrc.fm/presets. But right now, limiting. So search the effects bar for hard or limit if you prefer, and you've got a hard limiter that you can then drag and drop onto the clip in question. I could do that, but I'm going to do this on a whole audio track by going into the audio workspace. So you can see the level meters here, and in this instance, I'm going to do it to track 4, where I've got my dialogue at the moment. So to do that, popping open the effects bar here, and on audio 4, I'm going to go in, amplitude and compression, and I'm looking for hard limiter. There it is. Now you can see here my maximum amplitude is minus 0.1 dB. I can just take that dial and turn it down. It's as simple as that. So I can put it wherever I like. So I can say the audio cannot go above minus 9.1 dB.
Yeah, okay.
And as you can see, it didn't go above minus 9.1 dB. That's what a limiter does. So I can say, okay, I don't want my audio to go above, let's be more reasonable, minus 3.1 dB. Let's play back.
Yeah, okay.
And because that audio is a bit quieter, it doesn't quite reach that limit. But anything that does will be limited. Another way you can do this, you can go into the advanced mode, open up hard limiter, and look. So say, for instance, I want this to be exactly minus 3 dB, and then it will stop any audio going above minus 3, but also I can give an input boost to my audio, which kind of pushes the audio up against that limit and does a kind of compression on the voice. Let me show you the difference. If I do an input boost by 10 dB, still won't get above minus 3. Let's have a listen.
Yeah, okay.
So much more compressed that audio, but again, not going above minus 3 dB. Pushing it up something silly like 50 dB, oh my goodness, it's going to wreck the audio.
Yeah, okay.
But it doesn't go above minus 3. What a clever limiter. I'm going to take that right the way down. You can take it the other way as well. And make it absolutely tiny, and nobody can really hear that. So that's limiting, how to limit audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have any questions at all, feel free to post them down below in the comments.